First we're going to attempt to take this all apart. It's all rickety chicken coop wire. See how I hit it with the truck. Slid out. It was all downhill in the ice. Took the truck and, yeah, well, it's a little misshaped. I can use it in the garden. Anyway, gonna take it apart, see how it goes, and then put a new one on. New one's a little darker, it's green. Should look nice. We'll see how it goes. So 10 trips to get the tools. It's now complete. Gate straight. Fixed. Old one's crappy and down. Now just clean up my mess, put my tools away, and we're out of here. Yay! Nice looking gate. And what? It works. Well, it's noisy, but it works. It closes. Yay! Even put a wheel on it. Yay! Not bad. I can live with that. Just about looks straight too. Yay!